As a part of TI India Analog Design Contest 2011, we are presenting our project, an artificial hand gripper using Bluetooth technology. From Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram. The team members are BL Ramyakrishna, T Lakshmi Bhavya, P Alakananda of Final ECE, bearing team number 127, under the guidance of our mentor, Mrs. K. Padmavasavi. The need for functional and cosmetically acceptable artificial hand for amputees has existed for many years. In India, there is a high demand for such prosthetic devices, as out of 80 million disabled people, approximately 12 million people are deprived of their limbs. As a part of the Assistive Technology Lab program held in our college, in collaboration with UMass Lowell, USA, we interacted with many mentally and physically challenged people in our neighborhood to provide cost-effective solutions that would make their lives better. There we happened to meet our client, Mr. G. Rajesh, who is 20 years old and is an above-elbow amputee. He has a passion for driving a bike and requested us to make it possible. This motivated us to develop a prosthetic hand which could make his dream come true. An artificial hand gripper using Bluetooth technology is developed to meet this requirement and to assist the physically disabled to do their regular course. The progress in building capable robotic hands has been slow. An important factor that has affected the progress in this field is the lack of easily obtainable, low-cost experimental robotic hands that can be used as test beds. The high cost and difficulty of building a robotic hand, along with the associated electronics, control systems, and integrated sensing, has led to a serious lack of experimental devices in the field. Some of the gripper designs which are set up in the industries are shown in the above slide. However, the prosthetic devices shown above are developed in other countries and are needed to be imported. The cost of such devices is also very high, starting from rupees 3 lakhs, which an average Indian cannot afford. This project aims at developing an efficient and low-cost hand gripper which operates based on the muzzle flexes obtained through flex sensors, push-button operation, muzzle movements of the user via Bluetooth. An artificial hand gripper using Bluetooth technology is a real-time project which aims at providing a cost-effective prosthetic solution to our client who is shown in the picture. His name is G. Rajesh, who is 20 years old and is an engineering student who is an above-elbow amputee. His main requirements are to ride a bike and to pick and place objects in the day-to-day life. The main objective we are trying to achieve is to make our project available to the